Hello again, everybody. This is John from Audio Depot, and I've got some exciting news. I've got a new product from CompuStar Alarms. It's called the Drone XC. This is a combination of a dash camera system and a mobile app for your alarm. For years, we've had the Drone mobile app. This is the greatest thing. You could lock, unlock, and remote start your car and track your car with the Drone mobile in conjunction with an alarm system. Well, now what they did is they combined the technology of a dash camera system with the Drone mobile app. This thing is fantastic. You can look at it in real time. You get a signal sent back to your phone if somebody breaks in. And then if you're driving down the road, it's a dash camera and it could protect you in the event of an accident. I've actually had experience with that. A gentleman drove into the back of my daughter's car and totaled her Kia Soul. And because we had a dash camera system, I was able to speed up the process to get reimbursed for my loss. So I'm a big believer in dash cameras, and I'm an even bigger believer in the drone system. If you get a chance, go on to the CompuStar website and check it out. It's the new Drone XC. It works with Wi-Fi. It'll protect you. You'll know exactly what's going on in the event of a break-in, and then you can track it. It's a great idea. And we've been, I guess, selling them for just over about a week now, and everybody loves them. So have a great evening, and remember, CompuStar and Drone, we can protect you.